Hi. This week I tried making a texture painting on normal maps. But first I made a 3D model that I would use for that. It is quite simple thing. It is a quite simple model of a jug. This is a low poly version and it didn't take a lot of time to make. It is UV'd and I made it high poly to use in Substance Painter. And after that, I watched a few videos on the topic of painting on normals. And to be honest, it's not quite simple as I thought that it would be, but I have some progress in making my own. Here you can see the 3D model with applied colors, and here is a jarring issue that I'm having, and I will need to fix that. For some reason, I always see UV themes, and I need to figure that out. But other than that, this is the result that I'm currently on. And of course, this is not up to my standard that I would like to do. But there is a view that I actually like, and it is the normal map itself. This is my first time trying to paint normal maps, and the way I did it requires a setup, and it is in this video that I'm showing you right now on the screen. I followed the video, and basically I am using a world normal map and painting on top of it so I can demonstrate. So basically I'm picking up a color, so for example here, and painting it. And I did with I did this with smaller strokes as well, and it adds more detail. But I'm not happy with the result because my setup results in a weird looking thing here, and now world space normal looks weird. So I believe that is the issue, but the previous result is something like this. Of course, I could actually add some roughness or metallic in here, but currently I don't want to do this. I only want to see how far only normals and color could go. And of course, can just do just a color here. And if I lower the roughness, I can achieve results such as this. But as I said, I am not happy with this, and I wouldn't put this on my portfolio as mastering painting 3D normals. So for the upcoming week, I'm planning to work on this, figure out the issues, and then try to make a more interesting piece, because right now it is looking unique, but in my opinion, it doesn't scream as a very cool design. So that is it for this week's update. I hope to see you in the next one.